I'm Tina. I'm a marine biologist by training. I did my PhD in fish parasitology at the MPI for evolutionary biology. I also did a postdoc afterwards. And after that, I left science and academia, kind of, when I transitioned to science management. I think to pinpoint it down, it's being the interface between research and administration. It's communicating the needs of researchers to the administration, but also communicate the administrational side to the researchers. So I personally see myself as an enabler or facilitator for early career scientists, that they are able to do the best research they can and hopefully also be happy in their career transition. Different fields in science management that could be very interesting. One of them is supporting early career researchers. You can also work in the research funding part of research. You can work in the research communication part, or you can develop strategies at the university or even at the policy level. The most critical skills that I developed during my postdoc time were analytical thinking, which is very important in my current role. It is very important to analyze data, to review data, and to come to the right conclusions. Also, project management is something that I've learned during my postdoc that is very important as a science manager as well. So during my postdoc, when I worked in the field, I had to oversee large problems with a lot of logistics and time constraints. And this is something that I could easily transfer into my everyday life here. When I left science for real, the one question I always asked myself was, will I miss it? Will I miss doing science? And how will I feel once I've left it? Because it felt like there is no way back. And what I can say now is that I really still enjoy working with scientists themselves. So I'm still close to science without actually doing it. And while I do miss standing in the field or in the lab from time to time, I'm still very happy where I am and to be part of the process, but also have a much wider view on research itself. I actually think that science management will become more and more important because a lot of communication between researchers and administration is still not going too well. But I also think it will be way more data-driven and way more digitalized than it is now. And this is something where I see that you can still learn a lot of competences that will be very relevant in the future. So digital tools is something that nobody can live without. Also, I think sustainability and socioeconomic impact will become more and more important in research and also in research management. So all those things are something I think would definitely change within the next 5 to 10 years.